In Africa, the tropical rainforest covers an area of 2.16 million hectares. It is one of the 3 largest rainforests in the world. Rainfall is distributed evenly throughout the year. Moist and warm all year round. It is a paradise for tree growth. More than 20 kinds of forests such as Okomi, Azobe, Tali, Hudak, and teak are the superior material for making floor and furniture, famous locally and abroad. Gabon, known as the forest of the country. Forest coverage exceeds 85%. It accounts for 11% of Africa. Total forest reserves of 4.8 billion cubic meters. Of this, 31.3% is available for commercial cutting. Tree species are abundant. There are more than 300 species of tropical forest trees.荣源Wood owns a high-quality forest land authorized by the government to cut, following the principle of developing sections in a piece by year. Scientific management to establish the proportion database of forest quantity. Select high-quality forest cutting that meets the diameter standard. Effectively guarantee the continuity of forest resources. The annual cutting capacity is not less than 100,000 cubic meters. At the same time, there is a long-term cooperation with quality suppliers, with adequate resources and guaranteed quality. From tree cutting to tree loading and transportation, large-scale mechanized operation, greatly improved quality and efficiency. In Gabon,荣源Wood Industry has 4 major production bases. It covers an area of 321,000 square meters, with a log processing capacity for 250,000 cubic meters per year. Excellent equipment, complete procedures, exquisite skills. The logs are nearly stacked according to the type of timber. From measuring and drawing the line according to the order, to the artificial chainsaw section, then go to the horizontal saw and divide it into blocks. From cutting thick slices with a large saw, to the second saw to set the width of the edge, then to fix the length by the cutting saw. From the manual cushion bar code disc to the code holder spray code, then transfer to the kiln by forklift truck. 24-hour computer monitoring of moisture content, 30 drying kilns. It runs a full capacity throughout the year. From planing of floor material to the grade separation, from drawing line to the furniture material, to a wire saw for fine cutting. The entire process strictly follows the荣源process standard. Daily equipment calibration, processing quality control. Each workshop and each production line are equipped with senior Chinese masters. They guide in a timely and effective manner to avoid cracking lines, scarring, and wormholes. Control the optimal cutting method and surface texture of each section of wood. Strictly and meticulously picking board. Shorten it or narrow it, or even abandon it, improving first-class output of finished products. Sharp tools make good work. They weld manganese alloy on each tooth tip. More efficient sawing of high-hardness wood. Each sawtooth is polished through 6 processes. Let each sawing to achieve the best flatness out of the rate. In the yard, packing a neat product. The code is clear and orderly. Packing in batches, shipped to all parts of the world. Not only in Gabon and in Benin, Ivory Coast, Mozambique, In Africa,荣源Wood has 8 such production bases. Working with the government for protecting wildlife ecological environment, for the local economy, tax, and labor employment,荣源Wood has made the significant contribution.荣源Wood, with uniquely advantageous resources, professional base with excellent equipment, standard operations with complete procedures, exquisite荣源quality, legal and authoritative qualification certification, committed to become the world's first choice supplier of solid wood raw materials.荣源Wood, honored with integrity and sourced from quality.